Tutorial number 11, How to use Obstetrical Calculator. After launching the app, login or use guest user. Tap Obstetrical Calculator. Adjust the number of days in each cycle. The default number is 28. You can calculate the fetal age by LMP, previous ultrasound, IVF, conception date, and expected date of delivery. To calculate by LMP, select LMP from the wheel. Then, enter the date of LMP. As you enter the date, the fetal age, conception date, and expected date of delivery will be calculated and demonstrated. To calculate the fetal age by previous ultrasound scan, select Previous Ultrasound from the wheel. Enter the date of previous ultrasound. Select the number of weeks and days for the fetal age according to previous ultrasound scan. As you select the number of weeks and days, the current fetal age and expected date of delivery will be calculated and demonstrated. To calculate the fetal age by IVF date, select IVF from the wheel. Enter the date of IVF. The current fetal age and expected date of delivery will be calculated and demonstrated. To calculate the fetal age by conception date, select Conception date from the wheel. Enter the date of conception. The current fetal age and expected date of delivery will be calculated and demonstrated. To calculate the fetal age from the expected date of delivery, select EDD from the wheel. Enter the expected date of delivery. The current fetal age and conception date will be calculated and demonstrated. The next calculation is very helpful for booking routine or follow-up scans after you have done the dating scan. To calculate the date for a desired fetal age, select Find Date for Fetal Age from the wheel. Enter the number of weeks and days for the current fetal age. Select your desired fetal age from the wheel. The corresponding date for the fetal age will be calculated and demonstrated. If you want to find out the number of days since the last ultrasound scan, select Days from last ultrasound. Enter the date of last ultrasound scan. The number of days from that date will be calculated and demonstrated. If you have any questions or comments, you can always contact us by email support from the login page. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new tutorial.